Good morning, children. Today we will start doing the exercise of the chapter The Sound of Music. We have completed the chapter earlier. So, students, let us take up the exercise. How old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? Evelyn was not even 17 when she went to Royal Academy of Music. When was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? Her deafness was noticed when she was 8 years old. It was confirmed by the time she was 11. Then we have who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? So we all know that we have studied a percussionist, Ron Forbes, helped her to continue with music. He spotted her potential and said, "Don't listen through your ears, try to sense it some other way." He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Evelyn performed free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She made music her life and performed many regular concerts. Then, how does Evelyn hear music? Evelyn became deaf by the time she was 11, but she did not give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. Ron Forbes, a percussionist, spotted her potential. He asked her not to listen through ears but to sense it some other way. She realized and could feel the higher drum for the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Forbes repeated the exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. She learned to open her body and mind to sounds and vibration. She herself explained, "It pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in my skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair." When she played on the xylophone, she could sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she could feel the resonances flowing into her body. On the wooden floor, she used to remove her shoes so that vibrations may pass through her bare feet and up her legs. Many other questions are also there. Extract based questions are very important. In your examination, they definitely comes from any chapter, from any poem they can come. So read the chapter thoroughly so that you can answer them properly. And some other questions are also there. I am going to tell you those questions. You can note down those questions. These are short answer questions. 2 marks. For 2 marks, when and how did Evelyn lose her power of hearing? That is in your book also. When was Evelyn? Why was Evelyn nervous while going to Royal Academy of Music? Why was Evelyn nervous about going to Royal Academy of Music? Then, how did Evelyn's deafness come to light? How did Evelyn's deafness come to light? Or this question can come in this way also. When did Evelyn's mother notice that something was wrong with her hearing? When did Evelyn's mother notice that something was wrong with her hearing? Then we can have, how did Evelyn hear music despite being deaf? Then, what is Evelyn's secret of success? And what message does she give to achievers? What is Evelyn's secret of success and what message does she give to achievers? Then, how has Evelyn inspired handicapped people? How has Evelyn inspired handicapped people? Then you can write down Evelyn's message for the people. Evelyn's message for the people. Then long answer type questions are there, 4 marks. They are for 4 marks. How did Evelyn fight with her physical disability? How did Evelyn fight with her physical disability? In spite of her towering success, Evelyn does not accept any hint of heroic achievement. Explain. In spite of her towering success, Evelyn does not accept any hint of heroic achievement. Evelyn's next question. Evelyn's determination to overcome her disability. Evelyn's determination to overcome her disability has made her source of inspiration for deaf children. You are supposed to comment on this. Evelyn's determination to overcome her disability has made her source of inspiration for deaf children. Comment. How is Evelyn helping others with her popularity and skill? How did Evelyn helping others with her popularity and skill? Next question. How did Evelyn succeed in pursuing her interest in music? How did Evelyn succeed in pursuing her interest in music? Now, very important question. I am going to read it. Listen to it very carefully and you can note down जितने भी question मैं करवा रही हूँ, these questions and those extra questions which I am speaking in this video, you all are supposed to do them in the notebook. Inverted comma begin. A problem is only as big as we make it. A problem is only as big as we make it. Full stop, comma close. This thought has been very beautiful brought out in the lesson. Discuss. Very important question. A problem is only as big as we make it. This thought has been very beautifully brought out in the lesson. Discuss. So your chapter is completed. This is the first part of second chapter. This is completed. Extra questions also I have made you write them in notebook. All the questions are to be done in the notebook. And in the next video we will take up part 2, the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Thank you students. Have a nice day.